lost our baggage, so we have none of our hiking gear or toiletries. We're starving and we've been munching on junk all day, but the scenery is beautiful. And they're singing Son of a Preacher Man. We went to this store called Vogue.
You can't see it.
And they're open till 9 o'clock. That's pretty good. Their prices are a little high though compared to Dern or whatever this place is that we went. Denner.
Spar, but it's actually a Denner.
Yeah, it's called Denner, and it was kind of gross, but we found some good cheap stuff. We got instant fladeless soup.
Alyssa has been dying for fladeless soup today.
And one more magical thing, we got yogurts, and then these are like Da Bomb. It's
so
chocolate
good.
covered like orange peel and hazelnuts and raisins, but it's like really quality. It's not waxy. Now, so we found this thing called Rivella Fizzes. It's light in color.
The bottle's dark.
The smell is like that of those herb bitters, those digestive bitters.
Mm-hmm.
And it's a really interesting mild flavor. Kind of like
I want to try
herbal iced tea with a splash of soda.
Yeah, it smells like bitters and citrus.
It probably has aspartame because it's the calorie-free one.
It's good.
Yeah, I would buy a bottle again.
Yeah, I would buy a bottle again.
Okay, back to our hotel to eat real food, aka soup mix. This is a lovely view from our hostel.
We're in Lauterbrunnen.
We're in Lauterbrunnen, and it's so gorgeous. And there's like waterfalls back here. I think there's a waterfall somewhere over there, but I can't see.
It's right there, yeah.
How perfect. ABBA just came on. It's a gorgeous day. It's supposed to be, I think, raining later this afternoon, but for now, we'll enjoy the sunshine.
I sure hope I'm going the right way.
Yeah, he said go down to the valley, so.
Oh, he did? Okay. I couldn't understand what he
It's
said.
gorgeous. Look at these little homes.
Oh my gosh, this is, look at that river down there. Can you get the river? Probably not.
It's really pretty. Oh my goodness.
So Alyssa and I are on our way to park for the tram to Gimmelwald. There's no cars up there.
It looks like we're just driving around a painting. I
Yeah.
don't even understand. It's so, even in person, it just is so beautiful.
Everybody's echt sportly.
Yeah, everybody's super sportly. Hey, look, there's a Swiss flag up there. Alright, we're here in Gimmelwald. We took the scary tram up. They have all these little cheese stands and self-service.
Like honor system.
Yeah, you go in the shed and take the food and then put the money
fresh
in.
Alpine cheese or eggs.
But there's nobody back here. It's really nice. I didn't believe when Rick Steve said it's a quiet town because I'm like, well, he just put it on the map, but...
There's nobody here. It's so nice. I don't remember this place at all from last time.
Well, anyways, it's super freaking hot. I'm like melting.
I know.
We're going to get some Alpkäse. They have these little self-service stations all over. So we're gonna go get some cheese. We got some of this yummy, this is our favorite, our dark bread that we love to get when we're in Europe. And we're gonna get some cheese to go with it so that we can have a healthy snack today and for our hike. So This is a little fridge. This tells you a little bit it tells you a little bit about them.
This one's $3.50. Should we just get a little one so that we don't go crazy?
Yeah, we'll get a little one. Okay, we have a little money box in here, cheese, smoked meats, and then this is fresh milk. And you can even see, like, they have it in old water bottles. Like, look how thick it is. Like, sticks to the sides. It's like a real fresh Alpine milk. Oh, the fridge smells so good. And then I think this is their picture here.
We started our hike today, and it is so beautiful. This has been our scenery all day. It's so pretty here. We've been walking by little farmhouses and cows with bells, and we already had to change into our shorts because it is pretty hot with these heavy backpacks on, right, Elise?
And I think my camelback might be leaking.
Symphony of cowbells. There's little cows over there. And that one has a really big bell. And then the Gspaltenhornhütte is right here. So, yeah, we're gonna get some food. We've been hiking for what, 2.5 hours?
2.5 hours now. Not super hungry, but I figure it's our best bet. Okay. We're about 3.5 hours into our hike. We are dying. It's really hot out. And when there's a breeze, it's really nice, but there hasn't been much of a breeze so far. Okay, where are we? We're at the summit. We're at the summit.
In Fruga, 2612.
Oh, we're dead.
That's about.
You can't even tell how steep this is. That's the path we were on earlier. And we came all the way up here. And it's so steep.
And I'm sweating so much that I don't even have to pee yet. I've been drinking nonstop.
We're so tired. We're making our way downhill toward wherever the Gspaltenhornhütte is, so you can see the trail winding along this thing, and it's pretty steep. They have these handy cables in some parts, and then there's this weird, I guess there's steps, but they don't look that helpful. Okay, here's the ladder. Brittany's about to go down it. You know how to go down a ladder.
Yeah, my trekking poles are in the way though.
Well, I don't know. I held mine in my left hand. Like, I actually grabbed them. I didn't have the straps around me.
Oh my gosh, what am I like beet red?
Alyssa, where are we?
Shit. We're at the Gspaltenhornhütte and
We're literally dead right now.
we're dead.
We've been hiking for, what, almost 7 hours.
Yeah.
We started at 8:10 this morning and it's 2:45. And
Get the Swiss flag.
yes, we hiked
Where
up this
those little
trail.
sheep are.
We're in our
I'm so tired.
room. Me and Brittany are the two on that side. And then we have this nice view of the river and this waterfall.
This place is super nice.
Yeah, it's super nice.
Brand
They give
new.
you
They give you
props.
house shoes so that you don't get your dirty hiking shoes.
And
on
then
the
there's
floor.
5 people on that side. Oh my gosh, we're too tired to do anything.
I cannot hike.
My big toes are like dead.
My whole body's dead.
We're at the Gspaltenhornhütte. We're up really high. This is where we're staying tonight. There's ice and the gray dirt over it. It's our building again. There's Alyssa. We're deciding if we're going to keep hiking tomorrow. It's just after 6. We got up at 5. Ate breakfast at 5:30, and we've kind of been dawdling just a little bit because
It's still dark outside.
it's still kind of dark outside. As luck would have it, it was just a little drizzle, and now it's more of a rain. I mean, there's clear skies out there, but it's kind of cold.
we've already done some scary stuff. It's shaping up to be a really nice day weather-wise.
It rained this morning.
It rained this morning on us for a bit.
We're going over.
Oh, it's really pretty. There's all these little waterfalls and like creeks we have to cross and stuff. We're pretty much down here. It's so high up, you can't even grasp how high up those hills are. But anyways, we're on this valley floor and it's just a lot of loose rock. We'll be getting our steep descent soon probably. Or ascent, I mean. And then hopefully we can get some hash browns at the hut up at the top. Officially begun the real ascent. It's been really steep shale so far, and I think it's just going to continue getting steeper. We probably have to go somewhere way up there.
We've been hiking a little over 4 hours now. We've been going uphill for 3 hours straight. How you doing, Lou?
Horrible.
Okay, well, come sit down on the bench and have some water. Okay, the good news is, yeah, we have to do these stairs, but that's the hut right there that we're gonna have lunch at, and then we're at the summit, at the top of the pass.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, how was that?
Horrible. I'm dying. No, I'm not.
Okay, well, just slow your breathing down.
I'm already sunburned, but my stupid hat is hot and it doesn't fit on my head.
Yeah. Okay, drink water. Okay, we're almost to the top.
This is the hut that we just stayed at. And
We're at the, what's the summit called here, Alyssa?
Hotel Hori or something.
Look, there's the trail down.
Yeah, there's the trail
So we
going
came up,
down,
to
and
show
we
them where
came
we
up
came to
that
the
way. Yeah, we came up from the right.
Down where that beautiful little village
Down
is.
there, yeah.
All the way up here.
All the way
We're
up
gonna
here.
go all the way down into that
We're gonna
valley.
go down into that valley.
I think that's Kandersteg
Kandersteg
right
is
there.
way down there. Yeah. Okay, onward we go.
All right, let's do it.
That hut up there, we descended all the way down, and we still have all of this to go till we hit the valley floor.
We're partway down to
Heading to the
Kandersteg.
valley.
We're taking a little break
We need
because
water and our
we're
toes are killing
thirsty,
us.
although the only type of water they have here, just like Germany, is mineral infused water. It tastes really like minerally, like it doesn't taste refreshing. I don't have a taste for mineral water and never have.
I'm thirsty, so.
But I know.
Yesterday I drank over 3 liters of water, and
on top of that juice, beer, we had like
I
other
didn't
beverages
pee for
too.
8 hours, and I barely had to go when I finally did.
Yeah, I had to
even
force
though I
myself
had
to go.
over 3 liters of water.
Our body's just reabsorbing all
We've
the
been
liquids we're
sweating
consuming.
our heads off, like
My shirt was
sweating
wet.
buckets
My
of
backpack
water.
straps are wet. When I put my backpack on, it feels like I poured water on my backpack.
This beautiful snow and this waterfall cascading all the way down. Down.
Oh my gosh, it's so freaking pretty.
Wow. Oh my gosh, my feet.
Alyssa and I, look how red her toes are. We still have like supposedly an hour and 45, so probably 2.5 hours.
You know why they're killing me? I can barely bend them. Look.
Oh wow.
This one doesn't even bend. It's just going straight.
Yeah, we're trying to get some inflammation out of our feet by putting them in this fresh running water, probably snow melt, and rubbing or pressing our feet into rocks because it feels like rolling your feet out with like a lacrosse ball. We're heading down to the Oeschinensee, and there's like free grazing cattle all over the trail, and they could like care less that there's humans everywhere. They're so cute. And they wear giant bells on their necks. We have officially been hiking for 8 hours today. We're heading down to the lake, and then we're gonna finish our hike to Kandersteg from the bottom of the lake here, so.
Can't wait to get to flat ground.
I know, me too.
Okay, shall we continue?